says the Lord. Nah, I'm just playing. What's good, YouTube? But nah, though, for real though, says the Lord. All glory be to Jesus Christ himself. You know what I'm saying? In this time, but in the old times, in the Old Testament, it would be pronounced Yahweh Jehovah. The Lord wants me to tell you that in times like this, sometimes, most times, depending on which path of life, that he will send you to the same places that broken you to harvest you as well. What do I mean by that? What goes around definitely has to come back around. And if you with God, baby, you know what I'm saying? It might not be that specific broken area in that specific dynamic place. It might be a restaurant. I'm talking about, like, you harvesting up. You might just look up and be like, damn, I remember I was there. I never seen this, you know what I'm saying? Third person speaking, figuratively speech. Use your third eye, motherfucker. Ah! Oh, I left something out. That little Harvey.